you stuck, Isabel? Come on. No? Not gonna work? Okay. At least we tried. Let's try the back guard.